Hey guys, so I got something in the mail.
Tell me all about it. You don't say.
I've been wanting to do an unboxing. I just haven't had a chance yet. So I've actually opened this box. This is from Steve, My Honeys Handmade. Go check out his channel.
We'll put a link in the description of his channel.
And I won this on his live. It is, and I do not know how to pronounce this, Kurk rotary tool. Get DIY done with ease. And then, check this out. He turned this on his lathe, and that is just pretty neat looking. I don't know what kind of wood this is, but it's really pretty. But if that's a coffee scooper, I'm going to have to scoop 2 or 3 times because I like strong coffee. But that's really cute. Mushroom?
Drawer pull.
Drawer pull. I'm assuming he turned that on the lathe too. And then, just set the box over here. We got a little, it's a sticker. If Eric can zoom in there, My Honeys Handmade. And since Eric is sticker crazy, I'm going to let him put that up there on our bandsaw.
I need 2 hands so I can peel the sticky stuff off the back. We'll put that right here next to Paul Case Farms, another Oklahoman.
Since, you know, both of them from Oklahoma. Also, go check out Paul Case Farms. Very good friend of ours. Great channel. You might learn something interesting.
I'll let Tina edit out all the
Moving back and forth.
moving back and forth.
I can't find a knife here.
Got one in my pocket.
Well, this was already in my hand. All I gotta do is pull the plastic off of here.
For now.
Yeah, that's true.
It's too late. I already offered it. She turned me down, so she's on her own.
This goes this way. Ooh. Even got a fancy little carry case. We'll set that down here for now. Let's see what we got in here. If I can get hold of the zipper. Got a whole bunch of little pieces.
Cool.
And charging cord. That looks pretty fancy. Let's pull this cord over here. Charge that up a little bit.
Looks like it's got a slight charge on it.
Yep.
And the instructions if you need some read material while you're doing your business. You know, in case you forget your phone or something.
Power button, pretty well self-explanatory.
Yep, she's going through reading the instructions. Guys, we don't need no instructions, do we?
Let's see what kind of little bit here we can find.
Probably one that fits it.
Let's take one of these sander bits. Probably need that. Is that what I put these on?
I don't know, you read the instructions.
Ha ha ha. Guess that probably has to stay on, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Guess I don't need the...
Well, you want to snug it down with the wrench a little bit. You don't need to overly tighten it.
Well, that won't work then. Because that doesn't... Well,
Is there not a flat spot on it?
no.
Okay, well then finger tight's good enough.
Then what's the wrench for?
Well, I'll read the instructions.
Better close that up so I don't dump them and have little pieces go flying everywhere.
Now she's thinking.
I find something that use it wireless, huh?
Try it.
Because it didn't come on before when I...
Oh, it's even got a little light.
Woohoo! Pretty fancy. So, I'm not much of a carver. So, one of these days, I'll learn. Now I got something to learn with. But, I figured too, I might could use this to go in and sand in some of these little places.
Now, to be fair, this hadn't been on the charger very long, and I'm assuming it's speed adjustment. Hit the power button. There you go.
Hey!
Now you're cooking with gasoline. And again, since it's not fully charged, I'm sure it's...
Yeah, I can touch up some of them little spots.
Yeah, especially for the ones that you don't put
That I
epoxy
missed.
in.
Right.
And you just do just the paint and leave it open, yeah. Because the big sander's not going to get in there.
Right, definitely. Alrighty.
But also with the different little bits and stuff you can get for it.
Different places. Like I said, I hope to learn to carve. I hadn't tried much, so, but I'm going to give it a whirl. And like I said, now I got something to try it out with. Pretty neat. I think I'm going to like it. Thanks, Steve. Y'all have a great day.
Bye-bye now.